And for the moment, we've cut across to some breaking inputs coming in. A Kashmiri Pandit has been shot dead in a terror attack in Srinagar. These are initial details we are picking up. The incident has happened near Margar Balch in Srinagar, and it has been a terror attack, is what we understand. A Kashmiri Pandit who was targeted by terrorists at a shop in Kashmir. This has happened in Srinagar, right outside his shop, where the Kashmiri Pandit was shot dead. We're trying to get in touch with Zeenat, my colleague, who's tracking more details on the ground. And she will join us shortly to tell us more of what really has happened. But in the meanwhile, we are being told that the Kashmiri Pandit was shot dead in a terror attack in Srinagar. Zeenat is with me on the phone line. Tell us more, Zeenat. What happened?
Svesha, we are live from the spot. Let me tell my VJ for those to show you the visuals of the very shop where the terrorists barged into, and this is more like a target killing, because this is the Bindru Medicaid, one of the famous Medicaids here in the Magalmar area of Srinagar. As per the reports, the two terrorists barged into the this very shop where the Makhanlal Bindru, the owner of this shop, was, and they have fired upon on him from a very close range. He has received bullet injuries, though he was shifted to SMHS hospital, which is some 3 kilometers from here. But the doctors there at SMHS hospital had declared him brought dead. Although we are seeing that the terrorists are showing their desperate presence on ground by targeting people like this, because this terrorists coming at this very place is definitely a challenging situation, particularly for JKP as well as the CRPF, because just few meters from this very shop is the office of SSP City, and meanwhile this is one of the highly commercial area. You have the most of the hotels in the area, and also the higher secondaries and other things, and you can see also that the traffic is plying on road, despite that it's been a target killing. Although IGP Kashmir also reached to the spot to assess the situation on ground, and now we are also seeing the CRPF CO have reached to the spot. But this is really going to be a very challenging situation for all the forces working in ground, and also for the intelligence agencies, because just 2 days back there was another killing of a civilian in SD colony, Batmalu, although the police were investigating that very matter. And now the terrorists have targeted Bindru Medicaid's owner, who has been identified as Makhanlal Bindru. He has received bullet injuries, and later he was shifted to SMHS hospital, where doctors have declared him brought dead.
Very unfortunate, Zeenat, that this has happened. And yet again, a Kashmiri Pandit who has been targeted by terrorists. He was a Kashmiri businessman. And we are putting out details of what we know. You're also reporting from the attack site in Kashmir. And tell us more, Zeenat, now, how the security apparatus is, what the police is saying, what are they finding out in terms of the attack?
See, after this attack, definitely the police has swung into action to see that who were the terrorists and how they managed to reach here, because it's a very unfortunate incident. Because on the one side where we see that the government is pushing very hard for the return of Kashmiri Pandits, as well as the safety and security of every citizen of Jammu and Kashmir, and then we are also seeing there are nefarious designs, there are elements, park-based elements that are working also here, who don't want a stability in Jammu and Kashmir, particularly in the Kashmir Valley. And by doing such kind of killings, particularly the target killings, we are seeing they are trying to create disturbance on the ground. But we are also in touch with the higher officials of JKP, who are maintaining that they have identified the terrorists, because there are CCTV cameras that are monitoring this area. So they have identified the killers, but they have not named the killers who are involved in this kind of killing, but they have identified them. And meantime, we are also seeing the cordon and search operations are being carried.
I'm sorry, I'm having to interrupt you here, but former Jammu and Kashmir DGP SP Vaid is with me on the phone line. Very good evening to you, sir. Unfortunate that a Kashmiri Pandit has been targeted yet again, shot dead right outside his shop in Srinagar. So if you can hear me, the point really being that at a time when the government is really trying to bring Kashmiri Pandits back to the valley, their security stands at question. This incident that is being reported, a Kashmiri Pandit shot dead right outside his shop in Srinagar.
Absolutely. See, the vested interest in Pakistan, the ISI, the terrorist groups, the hardliners do not want Kashmiri Pandits to return to Kashmir, though common man of Kashmir wants Kashmiri brethren to join them in the valley, but that's not true of hardliners. So they will do whatever within their means to sabotage this effort of the government so that the agenda of the ISI and the agenda of the terrorist organizations continue. So that is, I think this is in this background they are targeting Kashmiri Pandits.
All right. Many thanks for speaking to Republic this evening.
And breaking news that's just coming in. We are learning that a street vendor has been shot dead in a terror attack in Srinagar. The first image on your screen, remember this is a very disturbing sight. And this is coming just minutes after a terror attack was reported from another part of Srinagar where a Kashmiri Pandit also has been shot dead. Zeenat is reporting on that story for us and she joins us live right now. Zeenat, this is horrific to say the least. Very disturbing images also right now that we are playing out on our screen, Zeenat. What more do we know about what happened? What do the eyewitnesses tell us?
See, Dipti, it's more like a wave of fear is spreading here in the Srinagar district. In fact, the two attacks have been reported in less than 30 minutes. One was from the uptown area of Srinagar. This is the Magalmar Bagh area where a Bindru Medicaid, the owner of the Medicaid, was shot dead. And then again, we heard that there has been a gunshots in the Zadibal area. And as per what I'm getting the confirmation from my higher sources in the Department of Police, that a street vendor who was selling the Bhel Puri and the Pani Puri in Zadibal area of downtown Haval, he has been shot dead. What I'm picking from the sources that he's a non-local, and although the police has reached to the spot, but it's more like a fear is spreading in the Srinagar city, where in less than 30 minutes that the two terror attacks have been witnessed. One was from the Magarmal Bagh area of Srinagar and the another is from the Zadibal area of Srinagar. The incident happened while back and this time the terrorists targeted an outsider. What I'm picking, though we are yet to get the confirmation about his identity, but yes, he too has lost his life in the terror attack.
And Zeenat, I do understand that this is still a developing situation, but for our viewers not very familiar with the topography of the area, why don't you tell us how far are these two, attack sites? How far are they? What about the modus operandi? What do we know about these two particular incidents? Could they be related in any way?
See, Deepthi, as far as these terror incidents is concerned, the one is in the downtown area of Srinagar, that is called the Zadibal area, and which is some 10 kilometers, around 10 kilometers from this very spot. And this is the Magarmal area, which is in the uptown of the Srinagar city. Although I am reporting right now outside the Bindru Medicaid, we are seeing the multiple forces have reached here, although the traffic is plying here on ground. But it seems that definitely the terrorists are getting a chance to come near to the such spots where they are able to carry such kind of attacks. And the Zadibal area, that is the downtown area of Srinagar, Zadibal is the part of Haval, where the street vendor was shot dead from a point blank range. His body was lying on the roadside. Now we are also picking that the police as well as the CRPF have reached to the spot. The body is with the police as well, because definitely they will go for the postmortem and other formalities. But in downtown also, the multiple cordon and search operations have been launched by Jammu Kashmir Police. We are seeing a wave of terror in the Srinagar city after the killing of two people. One is a Kashmiri Pandit who did not leave Kashmir despite when in 90s it was boiling. He stayed in Kashmir, and today terrorists barged into his shop and they fired upon him from a close range. So two terror attacks in Srinagar city in less than 30 minutes.
Oh yes, Zeenat, and they're attacking civilians. This again really tells you that the vested interests are really getting desperate. They have not been able to reconcile with the idea of peace and normalcy in Jammu and Kashmir. Zeenat, for the moment, thank you for getting us that quick update.